Hi, I'm Jen Utley, and I'm a family historian at Ancestry. Welcome to Ancestry 101. I'm so glad you're here with us. Discovering more about your family history has the power to enrich your life in ways that might surprise you. You might discover that you're related to kings and queens, or the neighbor down the street. Making those connections and uncovering the stories along the way is such an adventure. Here at Ancestry, we want to make sure you have a great foundation for making those discoveries. So, we've put together this Ancestry 101 learning track to help you get started. Here, you will learn a few basic things about starting a family tree, gathering information from living family members, uploading photos, and using the hinting and searching tools on Ancestry to unlock discoveries in the billions of historical records available on the site. Through all this, you will learn more about your ancestors, and I expect a little bit about yourself as well. So I invite you to dive into this Ancestry 101 learning track. You can watch it straight through from start to finish, or pick and choose the clips that are the most interest to you. And when you're finished here, we have additional learning tracks to guide you further on your family history journey.